We came here from the north of Germany. Where is this? Here's a small, mysterious and magical town called Taleh in the Harz Mountains of Germany. Come with me. We walk through the city of Taleh. We want to go to the mountains and get the cable car. We will go to the top of the Witches Mountains. This is my friend. Hi. A magical horse named Wotan's. Oh, that building is also a church. These benches are cool. It was a statue to commemorate the death of fascism. Seilbahnen Taleh. Taleh cable car. Do you hear the sound of drunken birds? It is a Bavarian habit to put flowers and vases behind their windows. Do you feel the smell of nature? Very good. There is also a river here. Wow! It really has a mysterious and magical state here. You see? چه استایل باحالی داره. Kind demon. It seems like there is something magical here. I like it so far. This is the cable car station. Ah, this cabin is going up. It goes there to the top. Let's go for a ride. Look here, this cable car is 50 years old. Let's go inside and see how much is the ticket price. Everywhere you go, you see that these witches have been hanged. We buy tickets from here and go up. You can get a ticket only for going up or for both going and coming back. Round trip for each person 8 euros. اینجا میزنیم. اوکی. خب. اینو.
امیدوارم درش بسته شه.
اتفاقا من دوست داشتم باز باشه. بسته شد با. خب. Well, let's go climbing, but with cable car.
Jesus.
David, the floor of the cabin is glass. You are standing on the glass.
Oh!
خیلی باله. یه اینجوری کنی رفتی پایین ها؟
نه بیاس. واو. چقدر خوبه که این درش بسته است.
Look, the city of Taleh can be seen from above. It's small but beautiful. I always enjoy even seeing the mountains. There is a river down there and it's so quiet here that we can hear the water sound. These cabins are connected to two cables and no engine sounds. Very quiet. Look down there.
واو.
اینجا رو ببین.
صدای پرنده رو میشنوی.
نگاه کن. پایین رو ببین.
ترسناکه. ولی خب همین که درخت داره ترسم کمه.
Look this way to Taleh city.
به خاطر همین ویژگی سنگی بودن صخره‌هاشونه اینور از اونور بیشتر دوست دارم.
ببین صخره‌ها رو.
چه گلای قشنگی داره.
Visiting Taleh for a day tour is really good. The height is not too high. It takes about 5 minutes to reach this high. We have to get off at that station. From there, we can go to the other side and see the city from above. We arrived to the station and we have to get up here.
به نظر به هشیروش میارزی.
Yes, the same for me. There's also a zoo here.
فکر کنم سمبل شهرشون همین خانم جادوگر است. اسمش مرلین ویچ نمیدونم چیه.
We are going to the rocks, from where we can have a good view of the city of Taleh. Guys, see the witch. We wanna go there to see the city better. The sound of sheep can be heard in the city too, everywhere. Yes, some people have attached some of these love lights here too. Nice. Let's go to the edge of the abyss. My friend loves place like this, right? صدای گوسفند میاد واقعا.
پول بدین نه؟
€1 میندازی حالا میتونی ببینی.
اگه بودن بگیره.
Go. Wow, look at this spider.
این راحت داره 10 برابر بزرگ میکنه.
This is a beautiful view of the Taleh. Let's enjoy nature together. How is it here? Do you like that? Hey, look at there. An interesting store full of magic dolls. Bats! How cool. I want one of these. Oh. ببینیم چی دارن دیگه. You can really imagine that this is the city of the wizard. Did you pick up the black bat? Okay, I'll take one. اینها. The symbol of the city is magic. اینو ببینید بچه‌ها چه کاراکتری داره. Should I buy this?
منتظر بود که فنجون لازم داشتن تو خونه.
روتیله چیه؟ چشاشو ببین. Let's see what we can buy. Cool stuff here. چیه توش مشروبه؟ How much is this bat?
€10 لیوان
این چیه؟ چرا
خوابه؟ هوا که گرم میشه میزنه زیرش شروع میکنه به حرکت کردن. اینم به خاطر این داره حرکت میکنه.
Dann sind es €22.
Ja, bitteschön.
So, bitte.
Vielen Dank. Tschüss.
مبارک.
Merci. This bat and this witch woman got together for €22.
به هم میان.
به هم میان. به منم میان. Hexen Tankstelle. Gas station or witch shop is here. They make magical drinks. پارک جادوگر است دیگه.
پارک مجسمه داره.
خب. اینجا هم باز به یکی دیگه از این فروشگاه ها رسیدیم که پر از عروسکه. Who still loves dolls? Even some men. This is the animal park. Let's take a look. رد پای خرسه یا آدم؟ اینها دیگه این خرسه بود.
Braunbär.
خرس قهوه‌ای. What is this footprint? دونه دونه رد و پاهاشون رو زده. گرگ بود. Are there no human footprints here? رد و پای سنجاب بود این کوچولو. یه فوت کنیم. These birds live here.
Thanks, Sean.
We pay 7 euros per person here to buy a ticket. See how this pig is digging the ground. It's like taking out potatoes. Oh, the baby pig is coming. Another one is here. چه ریشه‌ای داره. Oh. Wolf's cage. There is a wolf there too.
دوربینت بیفته پایین میری برداری؟
حتما. جدی میگم. میگه دوربینت بیفته پایین میری برمیداری، پس نه میذارم واسه گرگا.
ای بچه رو میگه.
کوکچه هندی. خوشش اومد. چه شاخه‌ای داره. ببینم تو رو. چشات چه رنگیه؟ قهوه‌ایه. اوه. باحال بود.
این موش اسمش موش خرمنه و گازش سمیه، یعنی میتونه قشنگ گازت بگیره و بمیری.
He's drinking water. Let's go out of here. We came to the side of the mountain towards the valley.
من میگم بریم پایین.
آره. یه جلو شهر رو بگیر. این شاید باحاله. اینجا رو I like this hiking route. It's very good. We are looking for a better place to sit and have lunch.
زیاد آلرژی ایجاد نکنه.
بچه‌ها دستتون به این گیاه گزنه بخوره چنان پوستتون سوزش شدیدی میگیره که الو vorsichtig گزنه قرمز میشه جاش ولی
آره خب یه ذره زد. همینجوری دستم فقط خورد به لبه بعد.
تیرکمونه. Let's sit on this rock and eat some food. This is our lunch. A simple meal. A combination of some potatoes, eggs and walnuts. Okay. We are coming back. There are a lot of mosquitoes here. We reached the river. We were looking for such a stone to rest and eat. I have come to the river. Look at this wide leaf.
Oh!
I slipped. What is this?
چیه؟ Fillet of mouse.
This is the bat cave.
Wow.
We were going the wrong way there. We should sleep in the mountains at night. We are 1 kilometer away from the same cable car station.
گل سنگم چی بگم از دل تنگم.
Well, we are back down again. We went up with these cabins. We will eat an ice cream and return home. How much is it?
وانیل شوکو.
3 euros.
ممنونم. مرسی.
I sit here.
ردیفی.
Thank you for your like and subscribe. Okay guys, get in. This is my car. Oh, I forgot bring the switch. I was joking. This car remains from the area of East Germany.
DDR Museum Taleh.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.